This video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called hunt2. This is the ransomware that may considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Now, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open all your files without any troubles. This includes pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data, but sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this hunt2 ransomware may be easily injected into the device. Of course, my video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you what happens because of this ransomware. So after the ransomware attack, users suddenly notice that they can no longer access their data, and a special extension is appended to the file names. The extension is called hunt2, and here is the ransom note indicating that your whole network has been penetrated by Black Hunt. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So do not waste your money. Do not pay the ransom. I recommend you to scan your computer immediately with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose by going to the page combocleaner.com. So go to this page, combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and click on Start Scan button. So the software will be first of all in the trial mode initially, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Then after you click on the Start Scan button, the scanning will begin, and the program will begin detecting certain threats already. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature, but this feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data in the future, but it does not decrypt files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. Anyway, you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Then, at the end of the scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will see the full summary of the threats which were revealed by Combo Cleaner on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually, but my strong recommendation is that you consider upgrading to Premium. You may always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. As I said, Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect, remove this ransomware, and protect your data. So, speaking about file decryption, you may find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.